Now we are discussing about working of transistor clipper. Transistor clipper is indicating that we are using transistor as a clipping element here in this nonlinear wave shaping circuit in this clipper. We already discussed for clipping either we can use the diode or transistor or op amp. All these three elements, all these three components can be used for the clipping. We are taking here NPN transistor. The arrow symbol is indicating the emitter current direction. A resistor, base resistor we have taken, collector resistor RC we have taken. We connected this transistor in common emitter configuration, means we have grounded the emitter terminal, we are giving the input to the base and we are taking the output from the collector. Because BJT is a current controlled device, we expect the input should be in the current and definitely we will take the output in the current. If it is being operated in the active region, then we will get the amplified output at the collector terminal. If it is working in saturation region, then transistor acts like a on switch, closed switch. If it is working in cutoff region, then the transistor acts like a open switch. Because we have learned with respect to the voltage, the diode waveforms, we have taken the input voltage here and we have used the resistor RB. This is the input signal voltage. Because of this resistor, in the resistor voltage follows the current follows the voltage. This is the input current across the resistor IB. Small I is indicating that this current is AC. So this current we are supplying to the transistor. When the base emitter terminal we get the supply more than the threshold voltage. This is the threshold voltage. When the base emitter we will get the supply more than the threshold voltage. Then the base emitter junction is forward biased, and at that voltage here we are assuming that the base collector junction, this is also both are forward biased, and the transistor here is working like an on switch. From this voltage onwards you can see the voltage, output voltage across the collector terminal, it is falling into VCE saturation 0.2 volts. Because when the transistor is acting like a closed switch, the collector is connected to the ground. So the output voltage across the collector is almost 0 volts, 0.2 volts. When again the output voltage is falling below the base threshold voltage, again this transistor is becoming off switch because it is entering into cutoff region. Here this is in saturation region. Now the transistor is entering into cutoff region. Now the transistor acts like an off switch. At the collector, the transistor is disconnected. Now this collector terminal, whatever the voltage coming, that is because of the VCC. So during the negative half cycle, you can see the complete output is VCC. Okay. This is how the output, input and output voltages waveforms are appearing like this. If we are taking the IB input signal in this format, if we are giving the IB in this format, if the transistor is working in the active region, then the collector follows the base signal. That is what we have actually discussed as a amplifier. It is capable of reproducing the input waveform with more current. So here we are getting, but until a particular, after a particular voltage, we can make sure that this current signal whichever is appearing here, that can be clipped during the positive half cycle. That can be controlled by us. This can be controlled by us by changing the VCC. By changing the VCC, we can control it. Because of that, this clipping current signal also can be controlled. Until now we have discussed the clipping in the portion of the voltage signal. Here we are discussing the clipping in the current portion also with respect to the transistor. This is the working of transistor clipper.